Hi there, it's Jake with TrueRife. Today we're going to be looking at replacing a Qx2 or a tornado bulb into an amplification shroud. This typically happens when you have a bulb break and we just ship you just the bulb by itself. All we need to get started is our bulb, your amplification shroud, 2 zip ties that will come with the replacement bulb, and we're ready to rock. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to take my tornado bulb, make sure the cord is coming out the left side and the amplification shroud is facing me, face up. And we're simply just going to slide it into these 2 little slots there. Super simple. And we're going to take our zip ties and we're going to fasten them. Super quick and easy. And same thing on the right side. And we're not going to snug it too tight. We don't want to break the glass. Just enough. Perfect. There we go. And all we want to do is clip off these 2 little pieces and we're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. You have a great day.